Hello guys, welcome to NumPy channel. This is lesson 12 on NumPy universal functions, and we are going to learn NumPy set operations. But then before we begin, if it's your first time to get into this channel, please consider subscribing, and to the returning subscribers, thank you very much for your continuous support. So guys, what is a set? Basically in mathematics, a set is a collection of unique elements. And sets are used for operation involving a frequent intersection, union, and difference operations. So guys, in NumPy, how do we create sets? So we can use NumPy's unique method to find unique elements from any array. Like let me show you guys an example how to convert an array with the repeated elements to a set. So what I do here guys, let me import first of all the code library. We are going to import NumPy. Import NumPy is np alias, and then we are going to create an object with variable a. Then let me assign it to np.array, and then let me do what? Let me type in some values. For example, these are repeated values like 1. Let me repeat it thrice. And then 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Again, I can repeat 5, and then also 6, and then 7. And then here, guys, to convert it, we are going to use the unique method, the NumPy's unique method here. So let me first of all create a variable for it, then let me assign it to np.unique, unique, and then let me pass a, then to the print function, let me say print x, and then let me run the codes, and then guys, basically this is how we can convert this array with the repeated elements to a set. And so guys, let's now discuss how to find a union. So guys, to find the unique values of two arrays, we can use the union 1 ID, union 1D method. Like for example, let me show you guys an example how to find the union of these of two sets of arrays. What I do, do I have to let me just repeat so that you may grasp everything. Let me first of all import NumPy. Remember, these are new sets. These are two different sets. That's why you must import the code library in every cells. This is not like the pie chart. Remember, each cell is just like a new different program, a notebook. So here I'm gonna type NumPy is np alias, and then here I'm gonna create the first array, and then let me use np.array, and then let me create an array list of 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the other one, let me call it b. Then let me assign it to np.array, and then let me here assign again to these values. Actually, let me give it this array list. For example, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Then the new array is gonna be x. Let me give it x. Then let me assign it to, basically we are trying to find the union of these two arrays. So what I do, let me say np. Remember, np is the alias for NumPy, and then here let me say union 1d. Then here let me pass these are two sets of operations. Like let me say let me pass a and b. Let me pass a and b, and then here let me say print x now. Then let me run the codes, and then guys, basically this is how we can find the union of these two sets of array. Now let's get to discuss how to find the intersection. Now guys, to find only the values that are present in both arrays, we use the intersect 1D method. So what I do, guys, here there is no need for me to repeat again. What I do, guys, let me just change the values here. Like here, I'm gonna change it to. Let me change it to intersect 1D. Basically, intersect should be intersect 1D, and then here I'm gonna pass A and B. Also another parameter I'm gonna give it, assume unique ID, unique. Assume unique. Assume unique. I'm gonna give it a true value. Then let me pass the codes at the terminal, and then guys, basically this is how we can find the intersection of these two sets of array. Basically it is 3 and 4. And then guys, basically the other thing that you realize in this example here is that the intersect ID method takes an optional argument, assume underscore unique, which if set to true can speed up computation, and it should always be set to true when dealing with the sets. So guys, let's now discuss how to find the difference. So guys, basically to find only the values in the first set that is not present in the second set, we use the set diff 1D method. Like for example, let me show you guys an example how to find the difference of set 1 and set 2. So what I'm going to change here is just the this value here, actually this function here, this method. Let me say set diff 1D, and then we are going to pass A and B, and then we are going to also use this argument, assume underscore unique. And then let me run the codes, and then guys, basically this is how we can find the difference of the set. These are set 1 and set 2. And then guys, basically the other thing that you realize in this example, just like the other one, these are set diff ID, diff 1D method takes an optional argument, assume underscore unique, which if set to true can speed up computation, and it should always be set to true when dealing with the sets. So let me show you guys the last example, how to find the symmetric difference. So guys, basically to find only the values that are not present in both sets, we use the set sort. Lastly, we are going to discuss how to find a symmetric difference. So guys, basically to find only the values that are not present in both sets, we use the set sort 1D method. So guys, basically let me show you guys an example how to find the symmetric difference of this set 1 and set 2. So I'm going to leave everything as default, and then here I'm going to change this one to set sort 1D. Then let me pass, remember everything remain the way they are. Then let me run the codes, and then guys, basically this is how we can find the symmetric difference of the set 1 and the set 2. So guys, basically this is all about NumPy set operation, and this is what I wanted to show you. I think you've gained something, guys. Please consider subscribing, like and share the video to your friends. Until next time, this is Nehemiah. Goodbye.